Hello guys. I'm Ghetto Guy, and welcome to the channel. Maybe. This slide, I want to talk about functional programming explained. Finally, simple. It's completely a lie. Functional programming can't be simple. It's kind of a lie. AI told me, put the simple, people gonna come. I said, okay, liar. I'm learning from you. And it says why F sharp is the best place to start. Is it really the best? I don't think so. Or maybe it's the best. It doesn't matter because I'm learning F sharp. You should learn F sharp too. Why not? You like to be dumber than me? No one is dumber than me. So keep in touch with me to learn all the things I learning. Okay. So this curious stuff was reality. What people really think about functional programming or FP. So typically they talk about like monads, functors, category theory, complex mathematical notations, abstract academic examples. Yeah. Is it really true about functional programming? I think it's kind of true. If you really like to be deep in the functional program, you obviously need to understand the deep side of it, the depth of it, if you don't really like to be replaced by AI. So, by the way, the most important things we should really focus on it, also those were also important in my opinion, is what it actually is about. Writing clean code. Obviously, when we have only functions, only immutable data, not mutable one, we have predictable results because we know the function, we know always it's gonna output the same. We don't have variables. We don't have mutable variables. So it's easier testing because as I said, we have only transformers who are the functions and significantly fewer bugs. Again, it's again compares to the rules of functional programming. Maybe I say the rules in the next video, maybe. Who knows? So what's the mindset shift from imperative programming to functional programming? Imperative programming, we say how we should do that task. We should use a lot of tools like looping, changing a state, and managing the steps because we have a state like the variable. So we're gonna change the variable. We're gonna change the states in so many states, in so many loops, so many conditions, and finally we're gonna get the result in that variable. But what about functional? We really focus on what we really want, even this part should be changed to what we really want, not what we really to do. What we really want. Okay, we want, for example, some task. We should only put those functions to make the result, make the input like what we want. You know, we really don't care about how to change stuff. We don't. We just care about the functions, the transforming data, the pipelines of data, as we can see in AI generated picture. So it's kind of not bad. We always know the machine what they're gonna do. It's not based on the variable. We always know this machine, for example, gonna pack the package. So basically, it's same always. If you put it here, it's gonna work like this. You put it in New York, it's gonna put work like this. You put it anywhere, it's gonna work like the same thing. It's same for functionals. So why I say F sharp is cool beside the part I'm learning it because we have no clutter, we have no curly braces or semicolon as you see. Kind of Python, functional Python maybe. I'm joking. Python is much easier. But the type interference, F sharp figured out what the type of your variable. I mean, yeah, those variable you have like immutable variable. So and what the pipe operator also we have, like for example we have a list and we're gonna map the list to a function. The function is double the like members of the list, like it's gonna be 2 4 6 8, and also it's readable. It's completely readable. It's not really hard in my opinion. The syntax is completely okay. You can enjoy when you write code inside it. And also this part is completely pipe side and also greater than side 2. So it kind of passes the data through functions. Exactly like a factory line. Exactly like the previous picture of the slides. So why start with F sharp? Because it's functional first. It doesn't push you to just use functional. You can do cheating and use kind of, what can I say? You can use kind of mutable data too, but it's kind of cheating in my opinion. If you really want to learn functional programming, don't try cheat. Okay, so also it can run on .NET. It's kind of enterprise ready. It's not really a tool for academic babies to try to run something. Some people really do program by F sharp, like financial parts, financial banks. I heard some of them they use F sharp, but it's kind of much cleaner, much easier to debug. It's really cool for safe programming. Safe, you know exactly what you're doing, and also strong typing. Catches error at compile time, so your code just works. It catches the errors of the time at the compile time, so that's great. So, uh, in the whole thing that I want to say, it's just the input to the output. They are functions, and functional programming is not scary. In those videos, we're gonna completely understand it at first, and then try to write some code to fix some bullshit problems with F sharp. And it says you just needed the right language. I think it's completely false. Languages are kind of safe if you understand the concept. After you learn, for example, F sharp, we can like change it to Haskell. We can change it to Lisp. First, you should understand the concept of functional programming by understanding the concept, and then try to make it applicable and solve some problems with it. And the next video, probably I'm gonna make some video about immutability and also like functional programming concepts and rules. So basically, I just want to say, don't scare, don't be scared. We're gonna find out what's really functional programming, how we can write in F sharp, and how is the best way to start functional programming. And also, those are the sources of images. AI told me I just do cheating. So thank you guys, and also sorry for my voice. I mean, my microphone. I can say maybe a lot of times you can hear my breathing voice. So actually, I care, but also I don't care too because it's the microphone I have. I can't change it. Sorry. If I one time I will be rich, I'm gonna buy a better one, or I'm gonna still have this one. Why not? It works, and also it's not that bothering. So have a good time, and hopefully I can see you for next video. I'm not gonna see you. I'm joking.